Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to remove photo background without any software. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, click on start, type Paint 3D. This is built-in software Microsoft. Okay. Drag photo to Paint 3D. Okay. Now select photo and then click on magic select. After magic select photo for remove background. Okay, select properly. After select photo, click on next. You see background is removed. Now click on done. Now you see photo and background are split. Now select background and press delete button. Okay, drag photo in frame. Okay, now remove remaining background. After this, click on menu, click on save, click on image is loading. There is the option pixel and percentage. I am leave pixel only. Click on save. Select here location where you want to save photo. Okay, give any name. Click on save. Close this. Now open photo and check background is removed. Zoom photo and check picture is not stretched. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.